Brad Morgan here from Morgan Systems. Be honest, how many appointments have you lost playing phone tag? You call them, they call you, nobody picks up, and by the third round, they've already booked with someone else. What if the booking just happened without you in the loop at all? In the last video, we ran the real numbers on what an AI voice agent costs. Today, we go deeper into what it actually does, and this is the part that quietly makes you the most money. Because HighLevel's AI Employee doesn't just answer calls, it books the work and sets off a whole chain of automation behind the scenes. Let's start with the booking itself. When a caller is ready to schedule, the agent checks your live calendar in real time. It finds an open slot, and it books the appointment right there on the call. No, let me check and call you back. No phone tag. No lead going cold while you're out on a job. The moment they're ready, it's done. Now here's where it gets powerful. The second that appointment is booked, the chain of automation fires on its own. A confirmation goes out instantly by text and email. Then a reminder the day before, another an hour before, and you can set that timing to whatever fits your business. This is the part owners sleep on, because reminders are how no-shows drop dramatically. Every reminder is a quietly saved appointment, and all of it lands in your CRM automatically. The contact gets created or updated. The appointment's logged, their name, their number, and what they need, all captured without you typing a thing. So even the calls you used to miss turn into clean records you can actually follow up on. But you don't want it booking just anybody. So before it ever touches your calendar, the agent can qualify the lead. What service do you need? What's your zip code? Is this even the kind of job you take? Only the right callers get a slot. Your calendar fills with real jobs, not tire kickers. It handles the messy stuff too. Someone needs to reschedule, the agent moves it. Cancel, it frees the slot. And because it's reading your real availability, it won't double book you, and it won't offer a time you can't actually make. Just like we covered in the guardrails video, it can only book inside the box you define. And honestly, booking is just the front door. Behind it is the whole high-level workflow engine. That same trigger can do a lot more. After the job's done, it can automatically text a review request. If a caller didn't book, it can drop them into a follow-up sequence. It can even reach back out to old leads and reactivate them. The agent answers the call, but the machine behind it keeps working long after they hang up. Now let me be straight with you. Like always, this automation is only as good as the calendar behind it. If your availability is wrong, your buffers are off, or your time zone isn't set right, the agent will confidently book a mess. And if you never built the confirmation and reminder workflows, nothing fires. So set your calendar up properly, and then test the whole flow, start to finish, before you go live. Book a fake appointment yourself and watch every single step run. Now, I know that's a lot of careful setup to take in, so here's the good news. You are not doing any of it alone. When you get started through our page, you get 90 days of premium support, live screen share sessions where a high-level specialist sits with you and helps you dial in your calendar, your workflows, and your whole agent for your specific business. So if any of this feels technical, someone is right there to walk you through it, step by step, until it's set up exactly the way you need it. Quick disclosure, if you sign up through my links, I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You'll also unlock an extended 30-day trial, live bootcamp training, and other bonuses available only through our sign-up page. And here's the shortcut. Our free pre-built snapshot comes with the booking calendar, confirmation messages, and reminder workflows already built. So this whole chain is working from day one, instead of you wiring it up from scratch. The first link in the description lets you talk to the live AI right now and start the extended free trial with the snapshot and all the bonuses. The second link is the full visual setup guide with screenshots and detailed instructions you can access right now, even without signing up. If you're starting to see how much of this runs without you, hit like and subscribe. In the next video, I'll show you the version of this that lives right on your website, the AI voice widget that lets your site talk back, answer questions, and book visitors the second they land. See you there.